Hi sir, my name is Amol Nazan and today date is 2nd October 2021 and today's video topic is abstraction. So what is meant by the abstraction? So Java having four pillars. So first one is inheritance, second one is the polymorphism, third one is abstraction and last one is the encapsulation. So today I will discuss the abstraction. So what is meant by the abstraction? So abstraction is defined as the internal services can be hiding, only setup services can be showing. It's called as the abstraction. So real-time example of the abstraction is driver and car. Driver having only known for the setup services. So setup services is and steering switch and horn operation, so not known for the internal operation. So what internal operation, like steering internal operation, engine internal operation and braking internal operation is the internal operation. So second one is the second one example is the ATM machine. So ATM machine is the so user can be used to the only used to the check the amount of the bank, and second one is the to amount the withdraw of the amount the withdraw amount the bank. So is the real time example of the abstraction. So why achieve the exception? There are two ways can be abstraction achieved. So first one is the abstract class and second one is the interface. So first of all, what is mean by the abstract class? So abstract class, what do you mean by abstract class? The any class declared in the abstract, the class name is the abstract, so is called as a abstract class. And some condition of the abstract class. So any class, any class having the abstract, so it is inside the method is the abstract method. So abstract and concrete method. And suppose any class inside the abstract method, so class is compulsory abstract. So second one is the example of the abstract class is the we have creating the class public abstract abcd, and it inside the method public abstract void add, and it is inside the nobody, so it's called as the abstract method. And second one method void subtraction, and inside the print the subtraction. So we have creating the second one class name is the public class xyz, and it is extend the abcd class. And abcd class and xyz class implement the all method, the all abstract method. And after we have creating the xyz class, and xyz class having creating the xyz class object, xyz public static void main, and it inside the xyz is equal to a is equal to new xyz. And after we have calling the xy, a is equal to sub addition, and a dot addition and a dot subtraction. After achieve the achieve the uh, achieve the achieve the output, the first one is the addition and second one is the subtraction. Those the in this way can be achieve the abstraction. Second one way is the interface. So what is mean by the interface? So interface is a blueprint of the class. It is no occupy the any memory. So interface having the all method is the abstract method. So interface having a all method is the in a abstract method. So what is mean by the abstract method? So any method having no any body, so is called as the abstract method. So interface can be achieved the abstraction and multiple inheritance. So some condition of the class, abstract class and interface. So any class implement the interface, and any class extend the another class. And second one is the uh, interface. So any interface is extend the any interface is called is used to the extend keyword. So is the condition of the abstraction and interfaces. So two are the abstract class and interface is used to the achieve the abstraction and use of the abstraction. So abstraction is used to the to provide the security of the Java code, and it is most usable in the Java coding. So thank you, sir.